This is everything, how it turned out. This is my food table.
Colleen gonna be my woman.
We haven't started yet, but I'm just letting you see everything, how everything's set up. And
By Lily.
I'm recording.
Okay, give me your.
This is for my YouTube video, not for you.
Okay.
I'm showing them how everything turned out. It's not eats, it's sweets.
I was like, what is ETS supposed to mean?
It's sweets, Brianna.
Eats. No, look, turn back around. It's like eats.
Yes, cause the rest of it is on this side of the table.
It look like you're saying sweats or something.
Come on. It says sweets. Not lazy like. I was like, what does ETS mean?
Hot tamales, really. So that's how you gonna spell
Everything.
it. That's a Brian.
Okay, now you see. Bye bye.